Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of my viewers and subscribers. And if you are new on my channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button. Our today's lesson is about the rules for the simplification of an equation along with the solution or simplification of an equation. In the previous lessons, we have learned about algebra and its rules along with sentence, statement, equation, variable and constants. If you have not missed these lessons, then it will be pretty easy for you to understand the simplification of an equation. It's time to start our lesson now. These are three main rules to solve an equation. First of all, we will find the variable. The second one, what is connected with it? With it means with the variable. Then the third one is do the inverse. Do the inverse. Inverse means opposite. For example, the equation is x plus 2 is equal to 6. In this equation, x is the variable and 2 is connected with it, with that variable. The third rule of this of solving the equation or simplification of the equation is do the inverse. These three rules will help us to solve an equation. According to the third rule, we will write minus 2 on both of the sides. After following the third law, we will get x is equal to 4. I hope that all of you have understood the method easily. Now I will take another example that will help you to understand it easily. First of all, I will tell you about inverse. The real meaning of inverse is opposite. But in algebra, we will use it for the operational signs. As we all know that addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are the operational signs. As the third rule is do the inverse, so we will do the inverse of all the operational signs along with their constants and variables. We also know that the inverse of addition is subtraction and inverse of subtraction is addition. Like inverse of multiplication is division and inverse of division is multiplication. Here is another example. 6x is equal to 48. According to the rules, first of all we will find the variable and the variable is x. According to the second rule, what is connected with the variable? What is connected with the x? This is the coefficient, means multiplying factor, that is 6. In this equation, 6 is multiplying by x, so it is called coefficient. And it is connected with the variable. As this is multiplying, then what will be the inverse of it? Think about it. The inverse is division. Okay? Whatever we will do at both sides. We will divide this equation with the number 6, as this is the coefficient and this is the multiplying factor. Okay, for doing the inverse, we will divide this on both sides. And then we will get x is equal to 8. Before I finish my lesson, I would like to tell you about coefficient and exponent. Coefficient is the multiplying factor of the variable, while the exponent is the power of variable or the power of constant. These are the examples of coefficient and the exponent. Here 3 is exponent, for the x the 2 is exponent. It's enough for today's lesson. We will meet in the next lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz.